The BJP-led government at the centre is yet to submit a reply to the Supreme Court on petitions challenging the validity of the Places of Worship, Special Provisions Act, 1991. According to sources, the centre is yet to finalize its stand that it will present before the Supreme Court, and deliberations are underway. The centre's response to the pleas was sought last month on December 12, and it was given 4 weeks. The centre missed the deadline last week. With the Supreme Court deadline missed, and the next hearing scheduled for February 17, here are 2 possibilities as to how the case may proceed. The centre may file its response in the Supreme Court just days before the next hearing. If that happens, the petitioners and other parties involved would require more time to respond to the centre's stance. The centre may ask for more time to file its reply during the February 17 hearing. The request for more time has been made 4 times since March 2021, when the Supreme Court first sought a reply from the government. Sources on the side of parties defending the validity of the law cited a Supreme Court order in an Aligarh Muslim University case. In November 2024, a 7-bench Supreme Court bench, in 4:3 majority, overruled its 1967 decision that held that the AMU couldn't claim minority status. Sources defending the 1991 law claimed that the Supreme Court ruling also said that the government cannot choose not to stand by a parliamentary enactment. When the Supreme Court sought the centre's response to the batch of petitions last month, it also ordered that the surveys of places of worship cannot be conducted, and no fresh suits can be registered until the validity of the law is decided. It also instructed all lower courts to not examine cases related to the survey of places of worship or pass any orders in such matters. The Places of Worship Act prohibits conversion of any place of worship and provides for the maintenance of the religious character of any place of worship as it existed on August 15, 1947. The first petition was filed in 2020, and 5 more petitions against the 1991 law followed later. Key provisions under review include Sections 2, 3, and 4, which prevent the conversion of religious sites and lawsuits about their status as of 1947.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.